Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss bowl planter design ideas for your backyard. Creating a beautiful backyard does not always require extensive landscaping or expensive features. Sometimes the most charming touches come from the simplest ideas. One of my favorite way to add a touch of elegance and warmth to any garden is through bowl planters. These versatile containers can transform your backyard into a lush, vibrant oasis. Let's explore some delightful bowl planters ideas to enhance your garden. Choosing the right bowl planters. The first step is selecting the right bowl planters for your backyard. You can find them in various materials like ceramic, terracotta, or even lightweight plastic. Each material has its charm and benefits. Ceramic and terracotta bowls give a classic earthy feel, perfect for a rustic garden settings. Plastic planters, on the other hand, are easier to move around and come in a wide array of colors and designs. I always recommend picking a style that complements the overall theme of your garden. Selecting plants for your own bowl planters. The beauty of bowl planters lie in their versatility. You can plant anything from vibrant flowers to lush greenery or even a mix of both. For a splash of color, consider planting petunias, pansies, or marigolds. If you prefer greenery, succulents like echevers or sedums are perfect for bowl planters. They require little maintenance and look stunning all year round. Mixing plants of different heights and textures can create a lovely layered effect that adds depth to your garden. Placement and arrangement. Where you place your bowl planter can make a significant difference in your garden's appearance. They look fantastic on patios, along pathways, or even as centerpieces on outdoor tables. I love arranging several bowl planters of different size together to create a focal point. This grouping can add visual interest and a sense of cohesion to your garden. Don't be afraid to experiment with different placements until you find what works best for your space. Care and maintenance. Bowl planters are relatively easy to care for, but a few tips can help your plants thrive. Make sure your planters have good drainage to prevent water lodging, which can harm the roots. During hot summer months, bowl planters may need more frequent watering as they can dry out quickly. Regularly check your plants for pests and remove any dead or yellowing leaves to keep them healthy and vibrant. A bit of routine care will go a long way in ensuring your bowl planters stay beautiful. Creative ideas for bowl planters. Get creative with your bowl planters. One idea is to use them to create a mini herb gardens. Basil, thyme, and mint do wonderfully in bowl planters and are handy for cooking. Another fun idea is to plant cascading flowers like lobelia or ivy, which can spill over the sides of the bowl, creating a stunning waterfall effects. For a more artistic touch, you can paint your plain bowl planters in bright colors or patterns to add a personal flair to your garden. Bringing it at all together. Bowl planters are a wonderful way to add charm and personality to your backyard. They are versatile, easy to maintain, and can be tailored to fit any garden style. By choosing the right planters, selecting beautiful plants, and getting creative with your arrangements, you can create a stunning outdoor spaces that reflect your love for gardening. Remember, the best garden are those that bring joy and inspiration, both to the gardener and to those who visit. So grab your bowl planters and start transforming your backyard into a vibrant, inviting haven. Happy gardening!